Okay, let us understand, okay, some characteristics of images. So student, you know that there are two types of images that we usually observe, okay, by optical instruments like mirror, lenses, okay. The first one is real image and the second one is virtual image. Okay, now let us understand some characteristics of real image and later on virtual images. First of all, we know that real image produces, okay, due to converging rays. Whenever a ray of light after reflection converges to a single point, okay, or converges, it actually produces what? Real image. That means we can say that real image produces due to converging reflected rays. Okay, on the other hand, virtual image produces due to what? Diverging reflected ray. And we also know that real image always produces, okay, in front of mirror. It always produces in front of mirror. Similarly, virtual image always produces behind the mirror. Now student, we know that real image can be projected on a screen and virtual image cannot be projected because it is actually virtual. It only appears to be located at that point, but actually it is not present at that point. Okay, now third point, real image is always inverted. Okay, it is always inverted. That means if an object is located above principal axis, okay, then its image will be formed below the principal axis if the image is what? Real, because it is always inverted. Okay, the highest position or upper position of object, okay, looks as the lower point or lower position, okay, in its image if the image is real. Okay, whereas the virtual image is always erect. Erect image means it is always upright. Okay, it is always upright, straight upright. Okay, this is how we get the real and virtual image, and these are some characteristics, okay, of real and virtual image. Got it?